got something good today. Today we are making spear point or arrowhead knives. Very simple to make. You only need a couple of things. We're going to be using deer antler as the handle, and we were using flint as the knife for this. Okay, right now I am in the middle of dropping the antler. We're going to be boiling it for about an hour, and we're going to soften it up so we can push the blade into the handle. Then we're going to have some sinew to tie it up. Let's get it going. Let's see what happens. Our final product should look something like this. I did this the other day as an experiment. We have our sinew, we have our antler, flint. Excited to see what happens with this batch. We are getting close to the hour mark. A lot of the water has already evaporated, so I had to refill it. So the process is restarting. Here, the goal of this is to soften the antler to get it enough where we can put object in to create a space to put the flint arrowhead or spearhead. Now, yes, this does weaken it a little, the antler a little bit, but it's a fast process, so the little weakness that it does get overall is still justifiable because it still holds up. First things first, I want to make sure I get the right angle for what I want to do. So I want the knife to look something like this. Depending on how I want to hold it, I gotta make sure I put it in the right location. So I know my angle where I want to do, and I take the knife and I just push in. Testing right now, I'm testing to see how soft the antler is in the middle. And you can see right now it is soft. I'll probably wait just a little bit longer before I start maneuvering it around. Probably let it soak in a little bit more, just to see what I can do to see if I can soften this up a little bit more. So what I'm doing now is I'm creating the base for my handle. It'll be, so when I put my flint spearhead, then it'll be able to fit perfectly. Alright, my goal is to split this top part to create the handle, and then the head for the handle right here. And now you see as I'm working the inside, as I'm creating an opening for my blade to go into. Really cool process. A little time consuming though.
Alright, so then now with this process, we are taking our imitation sinew, so when I put the pine tar later, that it stays firmly. That's the goal for this knife. And this is the final result